Yeah, this is a Volvo XC90, and as you can see, the car has a random misfiring problem. Okay, so as I was going through, I thought it was a fuel pump, so I changed the fuel pump, but it continues with the same fault. So as you can see here, I just lose out the nozzle. So let's go through it. Can you take a look? Yeah, all the nozzles are faulty nozzles, like blocked. Can you see it? Yeah. And as I scanned the car, it was complaining that number 6 misfiring. It was complaining it badly. So this is the number 6. Can you see? Can you see the number 6? It's blocked entirely. Yeah. So I'm gonna service it now. Let's see what we got. Okay, we'll be back.